Sunday, December 4th, Star Wars Land Update. There's a lot of I-beams right there. There's a bunch of concrete forms piled up. Here are the two entrances, all concreted up. There's the one entrance. And over here is the other entrance. Right over here with all the wood on top of it's the phantasmic storage behind that water truck. They've come a long way since we've been here last. They have all the concrete walls up here for the Rivers of America, the separation. Very cool. Stay tuned, we can't wait to come back.